Hey, Fernando, this is Eddie Medina, and I work with Boundless SEO, and we're a digital marketing agency. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you. I was doing some research in your area and your services, and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. I'm sure you're super busy. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Or if you already have a web developer or an SEO company working for you, you can send them this video. It's always, or for just for your education, it's always good to know what to look for behind the scenes of a website. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is the content, backlinks, and citations. Now, I noticed when I click on your on your URL, it doesn't seem to find the website, so it's broken. The site not found, and also it's asking you to contact your web site administrator. In this case, because I can't jump into your your website, I'll show you on one of your competitors here, Landscape Through Services. They are on the top page of Google for their services around your area, and that would be Anaheim, California. This is their website here. As you can see, they have not so much content, but they are in the first page. The first thing I want to talk about is content. That's basically anything that you can see on the front page of your website, and that's including images. Image optimization is an important aspect of your website to rank. Basically, is saving your images as a keyword with relevant background description. Just keep that in mind. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and the level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. By keyword, I mean buyer intent keywords. For example, in this case, how I found you was through Landscaping Anaheim, California. They popped up in the first page of Google. You didn't, but I did, even though I did see your website, it just wasn't working. Just keep in mind, Google needs to see the keywords on your page, and these keywords must be visible to your users. The easy approach is to either create content around your keywords or naturally wave your keywords in the page. Any attempts to go bonkers with your keywords will look horrible and may set off spam filters and search engines. Use your keywords naturally throughout the content. Repeating your keywords once or twice is more than enough. Just be careful, you don't want to get flagged as spam. That's just going to hurt your website. Let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool. Of course, you could go to ahrefs.com if you don't mind paying for it. This is a good way to monitor what's going on behind the background of your website. Again, this is your competitor. The second thing I want to go over would be backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UART level here and the backlink section here. So it's telling me they have over 1,000 backlinks. It's not giving them a lot of power. It's only 9% here. Moving on to the citation section, which would fall under referring domains. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That is what a citation is in a nutshell. So the citation falls under the referring domains, and the DR level here, they currently have 4.7. You want to keep these two at a 1-to-1 ratio. Based on their amount that they currently have, they're not getting a good boost here. So this is beatable, just an FYI. The organic keywords, again with the keywords, that's very important. 1.1, so over 1,000 keywords. And in a monthly basis, they're getting 824 people jumping onto their website. They are going up here, so I'm pretty sure they are working with a SEO agency. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, such as calls and leads. And who doesn't want that, right? All right, so hopefully this has been informative and educational for you, Fernando. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. If you're interested on just the website or both website and SEO services, or for anything at all, we're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care, Fernando. Bye-bye.